It's called Matona Mia Cara, Matona, my lovely, my dear. And this song was written by Lasso in the Renaissance. I said it's a madrigal. He wrote this song kind of poking fun at a German soldier. The song's about this German soldier who has fallen in love with this beautiful Italian woman. So he goes under her window to go sing to her, but he's really, really bad at Italian. So the whole song is filled with kind of really silly, horrendous Italian. He speaks a little bit of French. He makes up some words. He doesn't really know what he's trying to say, but he's trying to say it very sweetly to this beautiful woman. So that's what we're looking at today. I also had technical difficulties with the recording, so Gretchen's going to play a little excerpt of what we're going to be learning today. So it would be, if you could follow along in your scores and follow your parts while she's playing this. Everyone can take out their pencils. We're going to mark our measures, number our measures. And how we're going to do it is we're just going to mark the first measure of each system. So our very first one is going to be 1. First measure of the second system will be measure 7. And then if we flip over to page 4, the first system will be 13. And the second system's 18. And then on page 5, 22 is that first system. And that's as far as we'll number them. Did everybody get that? Does anyone need me to repeat any? Good. All right, then let's jump in. So if we can just look at measure 5 first on the soprano line, there's a lot of tied rhythms within this piece. And we're going to be singing the tied rhythms, singing each note of them. So for example, measure 5 would be doing pa, pa, pa. So you're going to want to sing every tied note. So first we're going to take altos and basses. We're going to start right at the very beginning, and we're just going to sing through your parts. And then in tenors and sopranos, you can be everyone be tapping please in tenors and sopranos if you can be humming along. We're going to be singing it on pa. You're right in guessing that. So pa it will be. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just be aware that your parts will move at different times, so be watching your part and aware of that, and always be tapping. And when we end, we're going to hold on the downbeat of 17 on the first dominant, we'll say, in your music. We're going to just hold on that note, and that's where we'll end. So one more time from the beginning. Everyone 1, 2, T, 3. I think the page turn is giving us a little bit of trouble. So if we can start right on the bottom just with measure 12 and we'll move into that page turn. And we're just going to go to measure 17 and hold on the third beat, that dawn. So starting on 12, and I'll count you in. So you can give them. Do you want to start on your first? We'll start on the first, or on the...
Wait, where you said it's fine.
Yeah, we'll start on the half note of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time to lock it in, and then we'll move on. So on that half note again, measure 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. So now we're going to do tenors and basses together. And we're going to start right at the beginning again. Tenors and basses. Sopranos and altos, if you can be coming along. Everybody tapping. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Tenors, how did that feel?
Okay.
Feel good? All right, sopranos, are you feeling confident in your part? All right, let's run everybody if you'll all stand. And we're going to hold on that first dawn, third beat of 17. And everyone tapping. So, sorry. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 seconds real quick. Can anybody tell me something that they see similar or different between 17 and 23? There's two sections of tone that are going. Yep, there's 2 sections of don, don, do, don that are going to repeat twice, and they're going to be exactly the same except for tenor and alto. In measure 20, your very ending don is going to be different than the